Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 outfit idea and dress to impress for back to school theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to go to this area and we're going to wear this item. Okay, and let me color the ribbon this brown. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this top area and I'm going to wear this one. All right, and now let's move to the next area. We're going to wear this skirt, this one, and I'm going to change the pattern. Here you can apply this pattern. All right, and then I'm going to go to this area and wear the suit. Okay, and we're going to change the toggle. Wait. Okay, you can use this toggle, and then I'm going to apply the same pattern, this one, and I'm going to make it matte. Okay, then for the second selection, I'm going to apply this white color. Okay, and let's move to the shoe area, and then I'm going to wear this shoe and change the toggle, add sock, and for the sock color I'm going to make it white. Okay, just like this, and then we're going to go to the back area, and then I'm going to wear this bag, and then I'm going to color it with this color, or let's try this one. Okay, I think this one is better. And then I'm going to go to the stocking area. It's over here. And then I'm going to wear this stocking. Okay, then I'm going to color it white. Okay, let me color it white. And I'm going to change the toggle. Okay, and I'm going to remove the rubble and remove the feet. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!